Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved 145% gain in POTN within 14 days. Let's have a look at the chart of POTN. This is another drug company within my marijuana and cannabis list. A great move within 14 days. The trade was exited on 23rd January. In summary, this is a bullish trade that has entry price of 0.219 and exit price of 0.536. My subscribers have once again made more than my exit price. Great work! A nice 145% gain for this trade within 14 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 8 January with exit on 23rd Jan. Entry price is 0.219 with exit price of 0.536. This trade has achieved a 145% gain within 14 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.